Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to share with you some of my favourite street photos from the first half of 2025. They're all taken with my trusty X100 and I've been using this series of cameras for years and I love them. All photos edited in Darktable, which is a free open source software, and some who know me know I do tutorials on how to use it. There we are. That's for the introduction. Sit back and enjoy, and please leave any comments below, and I'll see you all soon.